Welcome back to Jiggity's tutorials. Today we're going to go through editing the product that you've just added. As you can see from the home page, if you go to where it says products and click on products, you will now be able to see the product that you have previously added. When you want to edit your product, click on the name link for the item that you want to edit. You will see that there are a lot more buttons available than there were when you first added your product. I'm going to point several of these out to you. The first one that's really important is shipping properties. You will see that right now it's listed as a weight of 0. You want to add the weight in pounds of your product so that the shipping carrier can accurately estimate the shipping costs for your product to get to your customer. Once you've changed your weight, scroll up to where it says Save and click. The next thing that you want to do is add features. If you go to the Features button, you will be able to see where you can add the brand for your product. If you don't see your brand listed here, then please note that you can just contact me, that's Kalita, and my email is shop@jiggity.ca in order to add your brand. Then you will see that there are different features that can be appropriate for different kinds of items. My toy car can vary by color. This particular one is orange, so I'm going to add the orange feature to my car. When I'm done, I just go to the top and click Save. As I mentioned before, this car can actually be sold in different kinds of colors, so I want to quickly add more colored cars to my product list. I can easily do this by going to the Variations tab. Over on the right, you will see a button that says Add Variations. When you click here, you can go to the top where it says Create New Products. You will see that it comes up that I've already selected orange, but I also have a navy car, a red car, a yellow, a green, and a blue car. You can select as many or as few variations on that feature as you would like. When you're done, scroll over to the bottom and click the Add Variations button. You will now see that these toy cars each have a different product ID code. You will be able to change the price for your cars. Maybe the red one is only $5, and the quantity. So maybe you have 5 red cars and you have 3 orange cars and maybe 10 yellow cars. You will also see that all of these have the same picture. Because these actually will look different, you may want to change the image. Before I do anything else, I'm going to make sure that I save my work by clicking the blue Save button up in the top right corner. Now I'm going to come down, find the yellow colored car, and click on the name. Please note that this is a unique product because it has a unique product ID. For that reason, when I scroll down and I see the image of the orange car, I'm going to remove it. Now I need to select a new image. So I press Select, and when I go to my Downloads folder, I've already downloaded the yellow toy car image that I want to have here. I will add my alt text that says yellow toy car and click Save. Now when I go back to my products page up at the top, I can see that the yellow toy car has the yellow car picture. You can change the picture for each of these individual products, and you will see that you can edit them each as individual products even though you created them all as variations of your original product. Congratulations! Now you know how to edit your existing product.